Happy birthday to you.
Zacarias Mulato. Yan, bigyan ka pa ng maraming mahabang birthday. Maraming birthday na darating sa'yo. Enjoy your day at
Happy birthday to you.
Mag-asawa. Yan. Ulit at maraming salamat. I wish you all good happiness. Bye-bye.
Ayan, shout out kay Zacarias Mulato sa pinakamamahal na habi ni Sis Bena. Balita niya sa akin ano daw ngayon. Birthday mo daw, kaya gusto kitang batiin ng happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. Good health and long life. Laging mag-ingat at enjoy lang your day. Enjoy your day. Sana mabusog mo sila. Happy birthday. Yun lang. Okay, yan. Bye-bye at God bless. Muli, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hello, good morning. Shout out kay Rosita Molato. Na pala, gusto kong batiin ka ng happy birthday sa iyong kaarawan. At many more birthdays to come. Enjoy lang sa iyong kaarawan. At sana lagi kang malusog, masigla, at mula sa anumang karamdaman. Lagi lang tayong mag-iingat. At yun lang, muli, happy birthday sa Mother Dear Mrs. Bena Molato. Bye-bye and God bless. Happy birthday.
Sa asawa po na aking kaibigan, binabati po kita ng happy birthday and birthday to come, and then God bless you always. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day. More birthday to come. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Ingat po lagi. Happy birthday.
Good morning po sa lahat. Ayan guys, good morning sa ating mga viewers, mga followers, silent viewers. Ayan, mayroon lang pong babatiin lang po, short version po at madalian lang po. Ayan, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Mulato Kiangko. Ayan, at sana marami pang darating na birthday greetings para sa iyo. At bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para makasama niyo pa ang inyong mga pamilya. Ayan, lalo na kay Ate Bena Mulato. Ayan, sa iyong anak na laging nakasupport para sa iyo. Ayan. God bless at enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy